Jimbo, I committed arson.
What?
They're all dead, Jimbo.
What? Why? Why did you do it? Hey Bilbo, what are you hiding?
Probably because this offends me.
This is just a piece of paper that says free. H is for Hey My Xylophone. So, you burnt Tanda's store because he didn't wanna give the tea for free?
Yes.
Why did you do that? Think, Bilbo, think. Now you will be sent to the out of bounds.
What?
I hear one of you have committed arson.
Hey. What the heck, Bilbo? Why would you drag me into this mess?
Cause, we are brothers, and we need to stick together.
Sure. Where are we even going?
What about, Loxton?
No, the people there creep me out.
Well, what about...
What was that? Drive.
Do something.
Alright, I got the image. Neverland.
Alright Tex, you need to know the difference between what's a burger and what's not. No, shut up. So, a burger is a...
Well, guess we're screwed. Nice knowing you, brother.
I am an extreme man.
When the heck would you do this?
Oh dear, it seems there are two red ones. so confusing. I got this. Baby boat. Right. Well, I guess that that's it.
Well, guess everything worked out in the end.